This is that girl in robotics. Yeah, this is my first video, obviously. Obligatory, first post, internet, introduction, etc. I've been thinking a lot lately about girls in math and girls in engineering and sciences, and it depresses me, the statistics that come around about, particularly girls in engineering, because that's what I'm interested in, but girls in any field that boys are socially considered better in. For example, out of every 25 engineers, only 3 are female. And for a person like me, because I want to be an engineer, that's a little bit depressing. Why aren't there more? What makes women unable to be engineers, or unable to be physicists, or unable to be anything in the math or science field without a lot of discrimination against it? And I know not everything's like that, but a lot of it is. I was thinking, I'm not judged that much for it. Most of my friends have come to accept it. But I've been in that situation. I've been in that situation where you're judged not because of your abilities, but because you're a female. Because you've got an extra X chromosome and everyone else in the room's got an extra Y. Or, well, a normal Y. Anyway, I've been in your situation. I've been that one girl, or those 2 girls who walk in the engineering room and are scared because they don't know what it's going to be like. They don't know what's going to happen because it's a room full of guys. And they know that engineering and science and physics and math and everything they want to do is male dominated. And I'm not going to lie, it's so hard. I've experienced that firsthand. It's hard to walk into a robotics competition as a female, because I get all the wrong types of attention. I get, how is she here? I get, why is she here? I don't get it directly to my face, which I'm really, really happy about. But there's those few people who are thinking to themselves, how did she get here? I don't like that. I don't like the discrimination against women in the fields of math and science. I don't think it's fair to us. If we want more women engineers, more women scientists, more women in these fields, we have to stop preventing them from going into them. 3 out of every 25 engineers. That is 12%. You know how upsetting that is? 12% of engineers are women. There needs to be more than that. Women are smart too. We're not, it sounds stereotypical. I know. But guess what? I want to break the stereotypes. I'm a girl. I'm in robotics. I like math. I love my chemistry class. I don't like to shop. I'd rather stay at home or go to school and learn about modular arithmetic than shop and put on makeup. There are some girls who'd rather put on makeup, and that's wonderful. If you want to put on makeup and you still want to be in robotics, that's great. If you don't want to put on makeup and you want to be in robotics, that's great. It doesn't matter. And it shouldn't. I'm a girl. I love my calculator. I take this thing everywhere. Legitimately. I love it. A lot. I'm a girl and I love math. What is wrong with that? Can someone please tell me why I can't say I love math, but my guy friends can? Why I can't say I love to build robots, and my guy friends can? What's the difference between me and them besides the fact that we use separate bathrooms? What's the difference between me and my guy friends besides the fact that when I get ready in the morning, there's not a difference between me and them, except for the fact that when I get up in the morning and I walk into the robotics room, I have a fear that somebody is thinking, how is she here? And they don't have that fear because they're male. And I'm accepted in my engineering room. Everyone there, they know I'm a girl. They don't care. They let me do stuff. But there are people out there who aren't like me. There are people out there who are judged for being in engineering, and I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Because that's not fair. I want to support everyone like me. Those girls who did math Friday nights instead of going out to parties. Those girls who would rather talk about quantum mechanics or watch Doctor Who than go and do makeup or go shopping. And even if you'd rather go shopping and you still want to be an engineer, there's nothing wrong with that. I'm a girl. I love math. I'm a girl. I played with dinosaurs in kindergarten. I'm a girl. I bought this at Goodwill because I thought it was interesting. Mathematical ideas. I want to go into engineering or number theory. Why is society against me going into engineering? Why is there so much pushed against the females who want to go into engineering and the females who want to go into science? And yet we complain that there aren't enough girls in these fields. Maybe if we stopped thinking that only all women can do is birth babies and be in the kitchen, we started thinking that maybe girls can do math and science too. Maybe if we changed our mindset, maybe something could happen. I'm not expecting all these videos to make an impact on the entire world. I'm not expecting to change a generation. I just want to help. Because I've been in a situation where I'm going to be judged for my gender, and I didn't have anyone to talk to. I have someone to talk to now. Her name's Mackenzie, and she's amazing. Some of you don't have a Mackenzie. I want to be your Mackenzie, because I've been in your shoes. I know what it's like to be judged for being a female and only for being a female. And I want you to know that you're not alone. I'm a girl. I want to go into engineering, and I want to break that stereotype. For a while, there's been one quote that's really kept me going in that, really helped me to continue on in my path for robotics and engineering. It came from this book, Ender's Game. I love this book. Page 35. There's only one thing that will make them stop hating you, and that's being so good at what you do that they can't ignore you. I told them you were the best. Now you damn well better be. That was the quote, by the way. Ender's Game. The only way for girls to get respect is to show the guys that we're just as good as they are. Show them what you can do. If what you're good at is robotic strategy, show them robotic strategy. If what you're good at is programming in C++, program in C++. If what you're good at is coming up with a freaking awesome design idea, draw it out and give it to somebody. Change something. Make an impact. Break a stereotype. I'm a girl, and I want to be an engineer, and no one is going to be able to stop me.